Although you boo, I say quam you. Give me your love, I go conquer you. I be your man, I say don't worry. And we go there together. Although you boo, I say quam you. Give me your love, I go conquer you. I be your man, I say don't worry.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Signoya Saygbah. I'm from West Africa, Liberia, of course. If this is your first time seeing this face on your timeline, I just want to say welcome. If you're returning, I just want to say welcome back. And for all my loyal supporters, I just want to say thanks for always being here and hanging with your girl, okay? I appreciate it. I love it. Thanks so much. And don't forget to watch this whole video to the end, okay? If you like it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. The hair is from West Kiss. This is the kinky curls, 24 inches. See, this hair was super easy to install. Everything was easy, breezy, beautiful, okay? This is what the hair comes in. It comes with the elastic band that I had on that I can't find right now, but it came with the elastic band, and it came with some lashes, and it came with some bonnet for sleep when you're going to sleep. But that hair was like super easy to put on. It's the kinky curl. Let me turn around and show y'all. Good morning, everyone. I'm sitting out on this balcony and it's warm out here, kind of like hot, but let's get into the video. So this is the hair. When it came pre-plugged. Basically, I did not have to do a lot of plugging. I did not have to do much to the hair. If you gonna wear your hair a lot, I suggest you don't like pluck it a lot. But that's the inches of the hair. The cap was medium. It's 180 density, 13 by 4 frontal. Okay, so this is the bleach that I use to bleach my hair, and I used the 40 developer. I would say if you use a 40 developer, please keep your eye on it. I get an empty bowl and my razor that I use for my hair sometimes, and just mix it together. My measurement is not always right, so there's not no right or wrong way to do it. Just make sure you check the consistency. It's super thick, where literally it's not like everything is not everywhere. Again, this is practice. I do this all the time. I'm still not good at it, so I just go on the inside. Sorry, the camera wasn't really on the wig like that, but I just take that developer that's in the bowl and I just apply it to the wig everywhere to bleach the knots. I apply it literally everywhere. Due to the fact that the developer is high, you gotta keep your eye on it so you don't over bleach it, which happened to mine. But get a purple shampoo and put it in it and keep it in it for 15 minutes, and that baby gonna come back good. See right there, it was yellowish. I put a 40 developer. I put a purple, you know what I'm talking about, the purple shampoo, 15 minutes. That came out so amazing. And after that, I will link the stocking cap. This stocking cap I'm using, I learned it from this girl on TikTok. This stocking cap is like thinner and more my complexion, so it literally helped me out when I like apply my wig. I got it from CVS. You can get it from CVS, Rite Aid, Walgreens. It's super thin, so that way if you apply your lace, it's not so thick where you have to keep seeing it through. It's super thin. I suggest you get it. It's a stocking cap. It comes 10 in the pack. So as you can see, let's get into the hair. After I did all my ball cap method, I threw the wig on. I plucked it a little bit. See, the cap is super thin and it matches my head, okay? It's literally perfect. I think moving forward, that's what I'll keep using from now on. I would literally get, the box is like $6. It comes with like 10 inside. I suggest you try it because it's super thin. It's not like the regular stocking cap that be coming. Moving forward, that's what I'm using, okay? I'm not going back to those stocking caps I was using. Those ones was too thick. But you know, the regular routine, put the stocking cap on, blow dry. I was jamming to my son and my friend was in the room. By the way, for this hair, I don't know what's been going on with me lately. I've been putting my hairline, I've been pushing my wig back, okay? And this forehead for this video, baby, it was penetrating. Forehead for days. But anyway, so if you doing your wig, make sure you bring your wig forward a little bit more so your hairline don't look like your wig is starting in the middle of your head. Due to the fact that I'm naturally bald head, yeah, don't do that. Bring your wig forward a little bit more. Like in this video, that shit was way back there. But we're not going to cry over spilled milk. We're going to keep it pushing. So you just do the 1 2 1 2. Again, this is gel. This is not glue. I take my wigs off the same night. I don't like keeping my wigs on. I like sleeping bald head. I love being bald head, but I don't mind throwing some wig on. Okay. So you go through the same process over and over. Spray, blow dry, put gel, blow dry, blow drying, blow drying, blow drying. That's what it's about. And this wig came with this band, West Kiss, of course, their brand and logo, everything. Those things are really nice to use, to be honest, because literally you just snap it on. I love these hair company for sending me these things. I have like 4 of them now. My friends keep taking them, so I gotta make sure I had this one. But this one, when you cut in your lace, cut it in smaller sections so that way you can control it. Okay, smaller section is better. That way you have more control. I used to do 3, but I realized I used to struggle with a lot, so now I do more. Hair is all about trial and error. The more you do it, the more you become flexible at it. The more you learn what you're good at and what you're not good at. I'm still not good at baby hair, so I'm still learning. Okay, we are all learners on this channel. We are learning and teaching each other. Okay, so I cut up the flap into sections, smaller section. Then I use my razor. I don't know, for some reason when I do this, I always cut myself. Maybe I should start facing it the other way. I always cut myself when I do this. Don't face it that way. Face it upwards instead of downwards, because I've been cutting myself a lot. So after that, I go in with the same gel and the spray that I use, and I just spray the edges a little bit. But I go in with my comb and my spray and use the tip of my comb to like push the edges that are standing out after cutting the lace. Okay, use that small teeth comb. That shit work magic. Okay, so I do that everywhere. It's my skin for me. I love my skin. It's just, it does it for me every time. It never disappoints. Okay, so I do that everywhere. Blow dry, blow dry, blow dry, everything over and over. So that's what I do the whole time. So should I just let you watch, or should you love hearing my voice? I think I'm annoying at times, but we love it here. But I just do the same thing over and over. I try. Don't over pluck your wig if you're gonna be wearing it a lot. I can pluck my wig because like I have a lot of wigs, but if you're gonna be wearing that same wig over and over, do not over plug it. Okay? So I was talking to my friend, y'all. So literally that's what I do, and I just keep it pushing everywhere. Take your time with your hair. If you don't know how to do it, start early. The earlier you start, the better. Okay, don't rush nothing. You're not in no competition with anybody. Like I always say, this channel, we are here to learn. It's a work in progress. Nothing is overnight. Like I always tell you, even me myself, I do not know how to do a lot of things with hair. You might see my hair and be like, oh, it looks so nice, it looks so nice. Sometimes, baby, it don't be looking nice. So don't hesitate to work on yourself. Always constantly work on yourself. Don't give up on yourself. Keep doing you, baby. You're not in competition with nobody, okay? So when I get done doing all that, I use the alcohol swipe or alcohol. You can get alcohol bottle from Walmart and get a paper towel, and you can just use it for your edges. That's what I also do. So after that, I use my powder. Like I always tell you, this is my holy grail. I use that powder to tap it into the lace. Okay, tap that into the lace. When you get done tapping it everywhere on the lace, then you go again with the spray. I mix the spray and the sprint because I saw it on TikTok. TikTok said it helped blend your lace. Okay, so like I always tell you, I'm always learning new things to like make things work for me. So after I apply the powder, I go in with the spray, and I use I don't like I always say, don't spray the spray directly onto your head. I feel like it get messy and get everywhere, and I'm already a messy person, so I do everything possible to make sure stuff is not getting everywhere. If you put stuff everywhere, that's extra work. Now you got to do all that cleaning up. I don't got time. So literally I spray the Gatsby and the bold hold in like a little tap. Then I just tap it in to my edges. Okay, see what I'm doing? I spray it in there. Then I just use the tip of the comb and just tap it onto my head. I'm not going to tell you something I don't do, okay? But if you're good at it and you have a different method that works for you, go ahead, do that. But me personally, I just do that so stuff don't get everywhere. Because now if it get everywhere, I have to clean all that up. And I don't got time for that. So I use that. That's my secret. And after, when I get done doing that, baby, I tie that baby up. Tie it up like my life depends on it. We still working on the baby hair. Then I go back in with my hot comb. Literally. Hot comb, baby. Hot comb. Hot comb is your best friend. I'm going to tell you that over and over. Hot comb is my buddy. So when I get done doing that to melt it more, I do another spray thing. Then tie it up. When I tie it up, I go do my makeup. Once you're doing your makeup, all that going to be marinating together. Okay? The concussion going to be concussioning. And you just going to get your seamless look when you get done. I spray my hair. In that bottle, I have condition, holding spray, water, mousse, everything mixed together. Then I just spray it to define my curls. Hey guys, so we are done with the hairstyle. It's still wet right now. When it gets dry, I will show you what it look like. The forehead is penetrating right now, but I'll show you how it look like when I get done, when everything dry out. But yeah, that's it. So if you watched to the end, I just want to say thanks for watching. I appreciate the love and support. Have an amazing night.
They take away that you can't buy me, oh. Yeah, you can't buy me. Take away that you